Bayraktar TB3 is Turkey's advanced carrier-based unmanned combat aerial vehicle, developed by Baykar for short-deck naval operations from amphibious assault ships like the TCG Anadolu. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UCAV features autonomous takeoff and landing, over 24 hours of endurance, and the ability to carry up to 280 kilograms of precision-guided munitions, like MALE rockets, across 6 hardpoints, delivering persistent intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capability. In February 2026, during NATO's Exercise Steadfast Dart 26, the TB3 made its overseas operational debut, launching from the TCG Anadolu to conduct live-fire strikes on surface targets and provide real-time ISR for amphibious operations in the Baltic Sea. This Turkish innovation is redefining unmanned naval warfare for Allied forces. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow my channel for more content. Vet Mil Tech, daily from the drop zone.